Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Every now and then we get these questions from time to time. Were you selling any of them locking hubs? Yeah, we can't make them fast enough. That ought to tell you. Can't make them fast enough. Now we are a small crew, and I like it that way. So, here it is. Saturday morning, week before Christmas, I want to get some hubs out. Ain't got no packer today, it's Saturday. I've always worked 6 days a week. Consider Saturday my day, but probably not today. So, Junior's Auto Diesel Service, 1995, 2500. Peter in Wyoming, 2008, 2500. Ken, Deer Park, Washington, 2006, 3500. Lance, Oak Harbor, Washington, 1999 Dodge 2500. And last but not least for today, David up in Amherst, New Hampshire, Dodge 2013 Ram 3500 single wheel right there. So, it's Saturday, and it's December the 15th, and I'm packing up hubs to get out. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 5 sets on a Saturday. Think about how many is going out of here in a week. That's exactly right. Get you some damn hubs, change your vehicle, and start loving life. I know your bug, you'll love them. Bye.